All right, today I have a Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm going to show you how to put the Chrysler Pacifica into gear. All right, I'm going to show you how to put it in reverse, I'm going to show you how to put it in neutral, I'm going to show you how to put it in drive and the low gear. But before I get started, could you please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find my video helpful in any way. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so now, in order to put the vehicle into gear, what you'll have to do is, my vehicle's currently on, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put my foot on the brake, press the brake, and then I'm going to go over here, and then you can see it's currently in park. So in order to get into reverse, I'll just simply turn this knob, and it goes into reverse. You see that? It's showing right here, the camera turns on. Now to go into neutral, you don't necessarily have to have your foot on the brake for it to go to neutral, but I keep my foot on the brake to put it in neutral. All right, so I'd put it in neutral, just like that, to turn it. Now from neutral, I'm going to put it into drive. So what I do is, my foot's on the brake still. I go ahead and shift it right there. Now it is in drive, just like that. Do you see that? And in order to put it at low, I'm just gonna, my foot is on the brake again still. I'm gonna go to low. And in order to put it low, you simply have to press it in and then go to low, just like that. Now, there are other ways of doing this, but you have to check out your owner's manual and read your owner's manual to know exactly how to do it, because they break it down in further detail. This is just a guide and showing you a brief guide on how to basically do it. Now, I'm going to go back and put it into park. Now, my foot is still on the brake. I'm going to take this same knob. I'm just going to keep going ahead and go to park just like that. Now it is in park. I hope this video was helpful in some way. Remember to read your owner's manual so you know exactly how to put your vehicle, Chrysler Pacifica, into gear. Thanks a lot for watching.